another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and you know what Budget Wednesday we like to do. We like to go through this refrigerator and these cabinets and create a tasty meal just for you. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so let's go through these cabinets and see what we got for this week, Budget Wednesday. Cabinets off, cabinets no. Let's start that over. We're not gonna go there this week. Let's go in the refrigerator and see what we got, all right? Woo! Someone was busy, so they didn't get the chance to go shopping. But we got some great stuff in here. Anyway, we got some, hold on, what is this? Oyster mushroom. Hey, people. I'm thinking about something right now. We got a little spinach. Who wants some baby spinach? Let's make a little side something with the spinach. Oh, we got some shrooms. Let's get some shrooms in that bad boy. Oh, magic box. You always bless me. I got some scallion. We got some bell peppers. Let me see. Onions, purple red onions. Let's get that bad boy in there. What else we got? We got, tell them the time. Tell them the time. Anything else in magic box? Nope, that's not it. Let's see anything else over here. Nothing else. Anything in the side refrigerator? No, not from what I can see. All right. And we got corn. Oh, look at this bad boy. Got some corn. We can do some things with that. Roast corn on the oven. You know what I said? Roast corn, Roast corn. Who want roast corn? All right. Some thing. All right, people. So that's it for the fridge. That's it for the magic box. Let's go over here to my stash and see what we got over here. All right, people. We have brown rice. We have mac and cheese. We have flour. So I'm going to use the flour. I'm going to use the... You know what? I think I have some other things in them. I have some... All right, I have some other things. I have some black rice. I have black rice. I'm going to use the black rice for this episode. Don't get so. But we're not going to go through that right now. We're going to get that out and show you on the next film. What we got? All right, I see a little something here. Like I said, I got some black rice. I might go with the black rice instead of the brown rice. Yeah, I got an idea what I'm going to make. Let's stay tuned. All right, guys. So after taking a look at all of my ingredients and added a few extra, I decided to go with some fried vegan chicken. Woo! With some grilled corn and a mushroom black rice. Let's go, people. All right, all right, all right. Our finished meal is upon us. Woo! Vegan chicken. Not vegan chicken. Vegan fried chicken with some black rice and mushroom and spinach. Oh, man. And don't forget my roasted corn back here. People, this meal right here looks good. And it looks like it's a lot of money, right? But it's not. $1.49 for the mushrooms, right? The rice about $5. And then the corn, you can get like a corn for like $1 for like 4 or 5 or whatever. It's summertime right now. Corns are given away. People, let me tell you, this meal right here is under $20 to make this meal. And it can serve you and a whole bunch of people. Listen, this is a true budget meal. It just looks expensive. That's how we do it. But enough of the long talking. Time for me to go in. Time for me to sample. Ooh, this rice is calling me, so let me go to rice first. You know, Caribbean people, we gotta go with the rice first. Let's go with the rice. Look at that mushroom. Ooh, look at this steam coming out for that bad boy. The rice is banging. The rice is banging. Okay. Chicken. I got that in my home before. Let's grab that by our hands. It's like, look at the chicken right there. Let's look at it. Look at that. Just like chicken. Look at that. You see that? It flex and move just like chicken, like it's real chicken. Fried chicken, baby. Oyster fried chicken. I'm so greedy right now. I want to eat up everything. Anyways, people, this meal took a longer time to make because a couple different preparations. So this meal took me about 30 minutes to make. But you can make this for your family. No meat. So you don't have to worry about all that extra animal byproduct cleaning up and all that good stuff. Just straight vegetable. This is a full plant-based meal right here. Full plant-based meal. I'm about to go in. This thing is so delicious. Like for this recipe, I'm not going to give y'all. I gave y'all a couple. Too many. I'm just joking. Email me, fax me. I'll send a snail mail. Do all the extra stuff. Chicken. Hold on. So good. All right, people. Guys, thank you for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host as usual, Chef Kirk. If you want this recipe, hit your boy up. Send a comment down below. You know what I mean? Shoot me an email at chefkirkatwork@gmail.com or visit my website, beergancatering.com. Order sauce. Get some food. You know what I mean? Order me for catering. If you want some vegan food. I'm about to get up out of here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend about a friend. I'm about to go in. Guys, thank you for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday.